boys and girls. I have another book about plants. The title of this book is Seed to Plant. Let's take a look. Here is the title page, Seed to Plant. And this is a National Geographic book, so it's going to have lots of cool pictures. Let's take a look at the table of contents. Remember, the table of contents tells us what we're going to be learning about and what page we can find it on. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers. Others also grow fruit. Trees are plants too. So let's look at the plants that they're showing us. This is a white water lily. This is a fern. This is a tangerine tree. And this is a pink orchid. Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. Other plants are cozy homes for animals. So let's take a look. Look at all of the different plants. In this picture, we have some up here, some back here. These are cotton plants, and this says a farmer in his cotton field. And then down here, a bear in a tree. That's his home, and a tree is a plant also. Parts of a plant. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. So it shows your arms are like leaves. Your body is the stem, and your feet are like the roots. Roots hold the plant in the ground. The stem helps the plant stand up tall, and the leaves soak up the sunlight. So here are the roots. Here is the stem. Here are the leaves. How does a plant begin? Let's find out. 1. Let's dig in. Most plants start with a seed. 2. The seed splits open. A shoot pushes out. This is called germination. So do you see that little sprout coming out of the seed? 3. A new plant is beginning. So look, the plant is starting to come out of where the seed used to be. Take a look at this picture. Look at how it's getting bigger. A seedling starts to grow. Roots reach down into the soil. A stem pushes up into the air. So it starts little, and then the roots go down further, and it gets taller, and further, and it gets taller, and further, and it gets bigger. A plant grows. Watering a garden helps it to grow. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger. More leaves and branches grow. So look, here's a big tree in the background, and it must have dropped a seed at some point, and a little tree started to grow right beside it. What do plants need? Plants need these things in order to grow. Let's see, they need soil, water, food, sunlight, air, and space. Let's count those. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They need 6 things in order to grow. Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. So take a look at this. It says here are the leaves. The sunlight is coming down onto them. The air is circulating around them. The roots are in the soil, and water and food are getting soaked up through them. 6 fun plant facts. Number 1. This palm tree seed can weigh as much as a 4th grader. Holy moly. It's the heaviest seed in the world. Look at how big that is. Number 2. Scrub-a-dub-dub in the tub. Plants are used in many soaps and shampoos. Number 3. The paper for this book was made from trees. Number 4. One sunflower can make as many as 1,000 seeds. That's a lot of seeds. Number 5. Bamboo grows the fastest of any plant. It can grow as tall as a 3-year-old kid in 1 day. Wow. Number 6. The tallest living tree is taller than the Statue of Liberty in New York, USA. Holy moly. That's really tall. Flowers bloom. Many plants grow flowers. They start as a bump called a bud. There's the bump. The bud slowly opens. Petals, these are petals, gently unfold. Surprise! It's a flower. Sticky pollen. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. Pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from flower to flower. The pollen rubs off on other flowers. This is called pollination. It helps flowers make new seeds. So take a look at the bee. Do you see all these little sticky yellow bumps all over the bee? That's the pollen, and that rubs off on the flowers, and that helps to pollinate each of the flowers. The bees are very important in helping us to do that. Ooh, seeds. Plants keep seeds in different places. Many plants grow a case around the seeds. The case is called a pod. Peas and maple tree seeds grow in pods. So look, here's a pea pod. There are the seeds, and this is the pod. Here's a maple tree pod, and the seeds are inside. Orange seeds are different. Their seeds are on the inside. When you open an orange, you can see the seeds on the inside. But strawberry seeds are on the outside. It's interesting. Different seeds are in different places. Now the seeds take a trip. Some float on the wind. Others are carried away by animals. The seeds fall to the ground. Soon they sprout or germinate. A new plant begins. So take a look. This says a bird carries a berry with a seed inside. A squirrel holds a large seed. And this one is a dandelion. Dandelion seeds scatter in the wind. Pass the plants, please. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? So this panda eats a bamboo plant, and us, a human, says a watermelon is a fruit that comes from a plant. Ooh, I like watermelon. So take a look. It's giving us tips on how we could grow a garden. So it says, make your garden grow. You can grow your own bean plant. Ask a grown-up for help. So it says, soak your seed in a cup of water overnight. Fill the flower pot with soil. Push your seed down into the soil about 1 inch. Add a little water to moisten the soil. Place the pot in a warm, sunny spot. Add a little water whenever the soil gets dry. Your seedling should sprout within 1 week. And the last thing says, what in the world? These pictures show close-up views of things in this book. So let's see if we can figure out what it is. So look, this looks like a bud. Notice how it says this opens into a flower. What is this? This part of the plant takes in sunlight and air. Oh, you know what? I bet that's the leaves. What do you think this is? Let's look at it. This flower can make up to 1,000 seeds. Oh, I bet that's a sunflower. This falls and waters the plant. What would fall in water? Would it be snow? No. Oh, I bet it's rain. Rain falls and waters the plants. This buzzes as it flies from flower to flower. Is it a fly? Oh no, it's yellow. I bet it's a bee. And then look at this. Gosh, that looks weird, doesn't it? This has seeds on the outside. On the outside. Oh, we read about that, didn't we? Oh, it's a strawberry. A strawberry has seeds on the outside. All right, friends. I hope you like learning about seed to plant. Till next time, bye-bye.